The next generation of Samsung foldables is almost here, and this time, it's not just about the Galaxy Z Fold 8 or the Flip 8. There's also a completely unexpected entry stepping into the spotlight, currently being referred to as the Wide Fold, hinting at a fresh direction in Samsung's foldable strategy. All expected to ship with M13 OLED panels, based on information from industry sources. If this turns out to be accurate, Samsung is preparing to release its 2026 foldable lineup using the same OLED technology it first introduced around 3 years ago. Meanwhile, M14 already exists and is being used in the Galaxy S26 Ultra, yet Samsung appears to be holding it back from its foldable devices. An industry insider, speaking via ET News, supported this decision by explaining that M13 continues to improve through ongoing optimization, even without a full material upgrade. In simple terms, Samsung is extracting more efficiency and performance from the same material set over time. This approach helps reduce costs, as moving to a completely new material system would require fresh supply agreements and extended testing periods. However, it also means that devices launching later this year are still relying on core display technology that dates back to 2024. Samsung Display will remain the exclusive supplier of OLED panels for all Galaxy foldables this year, leaving no room for external competition or alternative sourcing. The Wide Fold, which represents Samsung's first major shift in form factor in years, is entering the market with display technology that is now several years old, while the company's own flagship slab device is already showcasing a newer generation. This also marks the third consecutive year of M13 being used in Samsung's foldable lineup. The material originally debuted with the Galaxy S24 series in 2024, then carried over to the Z Fold 6 and Flip 6, followed by the S25 series, and later the Z Fold 7 and Flip 7. Even the standard Galaxy S26 and S26 Plus continue to rely on M13. According to a recent leak shared by Anthony on Twitter, we are officially just 4 months away from the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 series along with the Z Flip 8. And from what's being reported, Samsung isn't holding back this year. The biggest highlight of the entire lineup is something new, a version called the Z Fold 8 Wide. Yes, a wider fold. Something users have been asking for years. That narrow outer display might finally be getting replaced with a more practical, usable design. And that alone could completely change how people use foldables on a daily basis. But that's not the only upgrade coming. The leak also suggests that the entire lineup is getting major improvements across the board. We're talking about bigger batteries, thinner designs, new main displays, and an overall more premium and polished experience. In another tweet, again shared by Anthony, we got a look at the expected price range for the Galaxy Z Fold 8. The base model is likely to start at $1,999, which is similar to last year. But the higher storage variants are where things get more expensive. The 12GB RAM with 512GB storage model is expected to be priced at $2,199, while the top-end 16GB RAM with 1TB storage variant could go all the way up to $2,499. So yeah, Samsung is keeping the entry price the same, but pushing the premium segment even further. Spotted by Sammy Guru, the foldable phone has received its China Compulsory Certificate, CCC, a safety certification required to sell products in China. In the listing, the Wide Fold isn't named explicitly, but it carries the same model name as the device listed on the GSM IMEI database. Two model numbers, SM F9710 and SM F9760, have appeared on the 3C platform. Based on Samsung's naming convention, these are likely the Chinese variants of the Galaxy Z Wide Fold and the Galaxy Z Fold 8. According to the certification listings, both foldables support charging at up to 15 volt and 3 ampere, which translates to 4 or 5 watt. The listing doesn't offer any information about the phone's release date, but Samsung typically releases its foldable phones in the summer. Database certification usually means that the hardware has been finalized, and in this case, the certification listing confirms new Galaxy Z Fold 8 charging speeds. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to feature a 6.5-inch cover display and an 8-inch foldable OLED display. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide sport a 5.4-inch cover display with a 7.6-inch inner display. Those are both slightly smaller than the Fold 8. The Z Fold 8 Wide measures 123.9 x 161.4 x 4.9 millimeters when unfolded, including the raised bezels. Without them, the thickness drops to around 4.3 millimeters. When folded, the dimensions come in at 123.9 x 82.2 x 9.8 millimeters. With the camera bump included, the thickness increases to 14.6 millimeters, highlighting how large that module is, especially considering it only features a dual-camera setup. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 measures 158.4 x 143.2 x 4.5 millimeters when unfolded, and 158.4 x 72.8 x 9 millimeters when folded. These measurements are still approximate. The details were shared on X, and they give us a solid early look at what Samsung is preparing. According to Anthony, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 will feature an 8-inch main display along with a 6.5-inch cover screen. Both panels are expected to support a 120Hz dynamic AMOLED refresh rate. While LTPO technology was not specifically mentioned, it is likely included. This means the size and refresh rate remain the same as the Galaxy Z Fold 7. The main display is also said to use dual-layer UTG, or ultra-thin glass. The device will reportedly be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy chipset. This is an overclocked version of the standard Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, similar to what Samsung has already used in the Galaxy S26 series. Samsung is also said to be working on creaseless display technology, which could even be supplied to Apple for its rumored foldable iPhone. Based on Samsung's typical launch timeline, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 is expected to arrive before Apple introduces its first foldable device. In terms of memory and storage, the Fold 8 is expected to come with either 12GB or 16GB of RAM, along with storage options going up to 1TB. The camera setup reportedly includes a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. Despite a thinner and lighter design compared to the Fold 7, the device is rumored to include a larger 5,000 mAh battery, along with 4.5-watt fast charging. If true, this would be the first time Samsung brings both a bigger battery and faster charging to its large foldable lineup. The leak does not mention pricing details. For reference, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 launched at $2,000 or 2,100 euros, which was already a $100 or euro increase over the previous generation. According to information shared by Tipster Digital Chat Station, the upcoming wide foldable is expected to run on the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. This would place its performance in the same category as the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Galaxy Z Flip 8. The device is also said to include a dual-cell battery with a typical capacity of approximately 4,800 mAh. The leak divides this battery into two separate cells, one rated at 2,267 mAh and the other at 2,393 mAh, resulting in a combined minimum capacity of roughly 4,660 mAh. Dual-cell battery systems are widely used in foldable smartphones. Alongside the regular model, there are reports of a wider variant that could use a 4:3 aspect ratio. The internal display is said to measure 7.6 inches, which would actually be 0.4 inches smaller than the Fold 7, but the key difference would be in the overall proportions. The outer screen on this wider version is rumored to be 5.4 inches, mainly designed for quick tasks such as checking messages or viewing notifications. Moving to a 4:3 aspect ratio could make the device better for watching videos, which has been one of the weaker points of the Fold 7. The current square-like design often creates noticeable letterboxing when playing video content, and this new format could help reduce that issue. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 removed the S Pen in order to keep the device thinner, but that decision was not popular with many users. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you watched, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I truly appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Peace out.